Hoot Owls. Try to get a recording of them. Full moon. Full moon, Crawford, Colorado. 4 o'clock in the morning. It's not quite enough light to pick up with the video of the fields here, but there's 150 elk out in front of me. You hear the cow calling. We're out here with my 3 dogs tonight hiking. And don't need any headlamps tonight. Beautiful night in Colorado. Got the Hoot Owls over to the right. Beautiful night. It's cold, about 18 degrees. I got my Drake here with me and 3 dogs with me, keeping them in close tonight, but there's elk everywhere. Kind of surprised me to see them out here. Still have elk running in front of me, 2 or 3 at a time across the field. There's a group of 150 plus taking off through the trees. You can hear them all running across the hard snow. And the cow calling, little squeaks. About 4:30 a.m. We're still hiking across the ranch with my 3 dogs, keeping them in real close tonight. Beautiful night. We've seen a lot of elk and the Hoot Owls. Big group of elk, and then they were running across 1 or 2 at a time after the big group left. 150 in the big group. But we keep hearing them running over there, and I wish, this is not a very good video, but it doesn't pick up the bright fields, and the mountains behind me are just incredible. Snow-covered mountains on the most clear night.